La 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 la. You remember last time we made this 3-link, right? But this bar is in our way. Now we didn't intentionally do it this way. We would have had a little bit of foresight. We would have not even put this in. So you're gonna see us cut it out, and then we're gonna cycle through it and make sure everything's gonna work properly before we finish up the rear end.
She's loose.
Yeah, buddy. So here we are. We kind of laid it out a bit.
And it lays out for sure.
It definitely lays out.
However,
How are we gonna deal with this, man? We're gonna have to clearance that, which we kind of already knew. Now,
we're gonna have to clearance it a lot.
You might ask yourself, why are you guys doing just to undo it? I don't know, maybe teach you guys how not to do things?
Yeah, this is how you don't do things.
It's really not that big of a deal. It really isn't. There's a fix for everything. There always is. It's just metal, it's just material. The only thing that sucks is time, because our friend that owns this vehicle wants his truck back, and we're over here f***ing around. But by the time he sees this video, he'll have it back, so we're gonna make sure we brace the axle back up so we don't lose side to side, front to back. We want to keep that geometry the same. So by bracing it, we'll still keep that, and then we can throw everything back where it's supposed to be. We're just gonna raise everything up. Make sense? All right. That's what he's doing. We got some rusty 1x1 material that he's cleaning up. We're gonna tack it in. Now, well, we have extra box too that we made the notches with, so we're just gonna make a step, come over, boop, and we're gonna re-notch those. We're gonna bring up the third link, the triangulated third link up. There's a fix for everything, always is. But I think we're gonna get this back up in the air so we can quit leaking ATF all over my floor.
Yeah. There's a yak.
I got it up front. I gotta put that back on jack stands. It's kind of just chilling. All right, yeah, last time we worked on this truck, I told you that I would be welding out this triangulated link. Well, here it is. And just TIG welding away, got you in fast motion, so you don't have to see the whole thing. Took probably about 20 minutes to weld this out. Take my time, using some welding pliers to prop it up, and a cup of coffee. Yeah, everyone needs a cup of coffee when you're welding.
So what do? We made a fish plate, but it's a goofy fish plate. Yeah. There's that thingy. Looks good, man.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright. So anyways.
So here it is. Rear end, rear frame section, all welded out. Everything works. Everything functions. Let's get that drive shaft in.
Drive shaft.
And now we're just checking range of motion once again before we find out it hits on the body. Yeah. Touchy, touchy. Can you see that? Can you see that touchy, touchy? It's touching here on the top. And we only have an inch of room with the cab. So that's pretty easy fix. We're just gonna notch that other cross member. We notch the body. It gets fixed. You'll see it later on and I'll try to address it. Go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. You can also check out our website. It's GarageJunkieApparel.com. We have all our shirts available for purchase. We'll see you next week.